Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to request an age change on your Apple account. Now, whether you're a parent or a guardian or a child that is under 13, it works a bit different. So let's first just open up your settings and at the very top, tap on your name. From here, after you've tapped on your name, this is your Apple account information. We're going to tap on where it says personal information at the very top. This will show you your personal information, including your birthday. So you can just tap on it and update what your current birthday is. But keep in mind, this only works if you're an adult or parent or guardian. However, let's say if you're under 13, 10, 11, 12, and you wanted to change that age, it works a bit different. We're going to exit out of here and go back and back again. Now, from your settings, tap on your name at the very top. And then instead of personal information, let's tap on family here towards the bottom. Now, you're going to take note of who the organizer or the parent or guardian is on your family account. You would be the child or minor under that family account. After we've done that, let's hop out of here, and the Apple support page walks us through the steps. It says to change your birthday if you're under 13, the account member must be part of a family sharing group, and that family sharing organizer must approve the change. So all we need to do on that child or minor's account is we're going to go to account.apple.com. Again, account.apple.com. And you'll want to log into the account of that minor or of that child. So if you're under 13, log into your account that is under 13. To be able to change that age, once we're logged in, at the top right is that little drop down arrow. Let's tap on that. And then let's tap on personal information. You'll be able to see here your name and your birthday. Tap on your birthday, and essentially you can just update your birthday here. However, keep in mind, when you're a child or you're under 13, if you update your birthday here, it will send an email to the organizer or the parent or guardian to be able to approve that. So essentially, they will get an email that they'll need to check as the parent or guardian or organizer. They'll need to go in there and approve it. Sometimes they'll need to log into their Apple ID account as well. And after you've done that, you have updated the birthday even though you're under 13. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.